Hi everyone, and welcome to Simple Fresh Flavors with Emily. Right before COVID hit, my husband and I discovered hot honey, and it was love at first sight, or should I say bite. Anyway, during the quarantine, we limited our trips to the grocery store and we knocked off anything but the essentials. Hot honey is actually very expensive. I think it's like $10 for a tiny bottle now. And I decided during quarantine I was gonna take to the kitchen just like everyone else. So with a few pantry staples, I made my own hot honey. So join me as I show you homemade hot honey. To a small saucepan, add 1 cup of honey over medium-low heat. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes. Last, add a couple dashes of hot sauce. I like Frank's, but use your favorite. Stir the ingredients well to combine. Allow the ingredients to simmer for 5 minutes, and it's that simple. You're finished making hot honey. Okay, so once that's done, I just kind of let it cool. I let it cool till it's warm. I don't want it to cool completely. It's easier to pour when it's a little bit warm, but of course you don't want it scalding hot when you put it in whatever. I just put them in these little glass jars. You can choose to strain the red pepper flakes out. I like to have them in there. I think that it adds nice little texture and some color, some visual appeal to it, and B, it just sort of marks like this is the hot honey. So you don't want to accidentally pour hot honey on something that you give to your child because it does have a bit of a kick. So this is John.
Hello.
First is pizza. So have you ever tried it on pizza? Okay. You want to try? All right, just give it a little swizzle. Oh, that's a lot. It's gonna be hot.
Never have too much honey.
Yeah?
It's interesting.
Would you do that again?
Yeah. That's good.
All right. So that's a yes. Some like fried chicken bite things that I put in the air fryer. This is how he normally eats it. So yeah, you definitely like that one.
That's good.
Yeah. Do you like it with the red pepper flakes in or without?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And this one, I know you were going to object to this, so I kept it in the freezer. Ice cream.
Honey on ice cream?
Hot honey on ice cream. You got to put the honey on.
Oh, let's dip it in here somehow.
No, here. Okay. All right. That works. I want to try that.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. It is kind of good. Right. Well, would you do that one again?
Oh, that's good.
Interesting.
Yeah,
I think it put a little salt on it.
Honey, but
Yeah, I'd like to put a little salt on the ice cream too. I don't know.
Good.
All right. Well, if you like what you saw today, go ahead and give me a like and a follow for more simple, fresh flavors. Bye, y'all.